On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and we are talking about soldering sun catchers. We soldered the front side, and we want nice rounded solder beads, okay? It looks good, and it makes your sun catcher stronger. So we don't want flat beads or flat seams. Those are not cool. So do a nice rounded bead on one side. Don't forget you got to solder the back as well. And just because this is going to hang on a wall, doesn't mean that the back should be shabby. You want the back to look just as pretty as the front, just because you can. On the back here, we're going to talk about hooks and wire. And with that, we've got copper wire, and we've got tin copper wire. And it doesn't matter which color you use, but since I was working with copper wire, I put the copper wire on there. Okay, so keep in mind my soldering iron is still on. I'm still going to use it. Cut off the length of wire. Take a guess, about that much. I just use a Sharpie. Put it around the Sharpie. Okay, so it gives me a nice loop. I take my pliers. Any pliers will work. I give it some twist. Okay, put it on there. Nice round hook. Okay, then you are going to put it on your sun catcher, and you're going to actually solder it into the solder seam. Okay. You want these long legs on the wire because that's a stronger hook. So don't just put a loop or a jump ring, put a hook. It'll last longer. So anyway, on the next segment, we'll do more stuff, so check it out.